Wow, the little lights work. Oh, the brush bar is seized. There, let me check. Yeah, the brush bar is seized. I can't even turn it manually. There's a bunch of screws here, here, and there. No, definitely. That's broken. Let's see what's going on here. I can't turn that at all. I'm looking for hair right in there. Oh, there's definitely hair in that one. Try this side. See if it's turning. Not even a little bit. I know one of these ends just pop off. Try this one. Oh, something happened there. I wasn't forcing it that much. Well, something's happening. It's this end that pops off. See, it's come away a bit. Whoa! Here, I'll show you this bearing. Oh, the thing fell off. See that? That's why it's seized. Hair in behind it. Behind. It gets so wound in there, it just stops it. Usually when that happens, this will melt. And then you can't do nothing about it. But you see, this side isn't turning. So this cap has to come off too, because there's a bearing inside here that looks the same as that, and you can't see it from here because it's on the inside. So after I took the hair out, this bearing spins nice now, and if not, just put some oil in there. Now to try to get this one off. I'll take a picture of that. You can see it. Clumps of plastic melted right in there. Here, I'll take a picture of that. I will pry it off now. even though it's melted. Get a better look at it. I might just have to cut it away to show you. Maybe I get a punch and hold that down and punch it off. See, if you look here, if you rotate it here, this bar is not in the center anymore. It's off to one side. Down in there, it's off to one side. Well, I got it apart. A little bit of chiseling and hammering, just to show you what the inside looks like and why it's seized. There. Bunch of hair wound in there. See that? And unfortunately, after that, it starts melting the bearing case. And that's exactly what happened here. There's the bearing case. Show you the other one. There's the good one. There's the bad one. Now you can see how it's melted.